he was really cheap. He was very cheap, cheaper than any other contractor we had. So I was like, okay, I don't care. I'm sorry. Like, it'll have to be a very, like, we are cutting pennies type of thing to try to get this deal done if I'll ever use that again, because, like, of how just the communication was just, it was not making anybody feel comfortable at all. And I don't want that.
And normally the cheapest guy is the fastest guy, right? Because he's trying to underbid everybody.
Yeah.
Which ultimately, so what falls short when you underbid? Quality.
Yeah.
Like,
right.
what are you missing?
Yeah.
What are you missing that this is so drastically cheaper than the rest of it?
Yeah.
You either have poor talent that's working on it and the craftsmanship, or you're just like, you're just trying to get the easy win.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Underbid everybody and then you compromise quality, which we can't afford to do because we have multiple in-house team members and then behind the scenes team members. So we can't afford, like, quality will never drop above everything. We'll say, like, hey, listen, this is the quality that you want and how you want it. It's going to cost this. Like, it's better to have more transparency on what that is.
Yes.
Rather than just trying to, like, you try to save on material, you try to do XYZ stuff, and you just end up hurting everyone.
Right.
And it's your reputation on top of all of that.
Yeah. And that gets embarrassing. And
that's the worst thing you could lose.
Yes, it is. That's all I have.
Yeah.
That's all I have. That I'm working with the best people. I'm bringing you the best contractors, and they're taking care of you, and they're coming to me with the issue where I can be like, okay, this is how we're going to suppress it so that I can bring this pretty version of it to my buyers.
Yeah.
But yeah. No, you're exactly right. You understand completely.